everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner and I am so glad that you have joined me for another unboxing of clothing. Today I have Mix and Match. This is my second Mix and Match box and I am so excited to see what's in it. If you are joining me for the first time, I say welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure that you subscribe and tap that bell before you leave because I would love for you to join me again. I do online shopping, I do clothing hauls, but mostly I do clothing subscription boxes, and I am so excited to share this Mix and Match with you. I will link my last Mix and Match video so you can see how my first box went. The thing that I am most impressed with Mix and Match thus far is their customer service. I sent my feedback for my last box and immediately my stylist responded. I was concerned about the fabrics and the weight of the styles that she was sending because I live in a warm climate. So she said that she would do a better job with this box. They don't send a preview. They do send a notice saying the box has been shipped. I don't have any idea what's in this box and I can't wait to break into it. I am so happy to share this beautiful package with you. In my first video, I lost all the footage of this beautiful package. So this is it. This is how it looks when you open the box. So we have all our paperwork here and I will read that and share that with you later. And look at how pretty. We have two bundles there all wrapped up in a pink polka dotted bow that I hate to open because it's so beautiful. Okay, first bundle. There's the colors in our first bundle. Ooh, we have some lightweight fabric. That makes me happy. And oh my gosh, this looks so cute. Look at this. This is just a t-shirt. This is by 143 Story. Perfect for 4th of July. Do we have it? Oh my gosh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Look at it. We've got the tie detail, the little knotted detail in the front. So I'm so excited to try this one. I just am kind of a sucker for the stars. So yay with that one. Next we have, who is this? This is by Gilly. This is just a little dress. This feels like a poly blend, but it looks a little bit short. It's got the, it's just a pull-on dress, kind of a skater style, fit and flare. I'm only concerned about the length of this dress, but I do like it. And next we have, this is another Gilly. This is a dress as well, a knit, which I prefer. Ooh, we have a deep V. That'll be interesting with kind of that wrap detail in the front. Does this look a little bit like the dress I'm wearing right now? I don't know. The same thing. We've got the fit and flare, kind of skater style. Nothing going on in the back. Just I like that, the muted colors on that one. Let's get into the next bundle. This is so much fun. They send you 7, I think 6 or 7. Wow. This reminds me of a blouse I already own. Ooh, I like this. This contrasting color. This is a maxi dress. Who is this by? Another Gilly. And we have that halter style top and floral bottom. This looks like an empire waist with the elastic around the top. We have the tie detail in the back, the cross in the front. It looks plenty long. I'm excited about this. But honestly, I'm going to show you the other blouse. I think this might be the same fabric of a blouse I already own. Here's the blouse. Not quite the same fabric. Boy, it looks similar, doesn't it? Anyway, I like this dress. I like that contrast. Oh, next we have another Gilly. This is a Gilly themed box. Ooh, this is orange, my newest favorite color to wear. This is kind of a button up. It's real buttons. A button up. Looks like a mini dress, which I don't wear mini dresses. All of these dresses look a little bit short. So this is just a really plain, it feels like a cotton dress, which I do like. And we have a little ruffle detail on the sleeve. Okay, I'm going to show some leg today, ladies. Oh my gosh, is this adorable? Is this a Gilly? No, this is a Doe and Ray. This is a Doe and Ray top with some, it's a high neck with a crisscross detail. And this looks like kind of a trapeze style flowy tank with some stripes. I like that. Oh, and guess what? They sent me some Liverpool. These are kind of a crop pant. What a beautiful color, that rust color, to pair with this top, I'm sure. I'll read her note, but these are awesome. I sure hope they fit. My overall impression of this box is it's fabulous. I have really enjoyed every single piece in the box. Although every single piece doesn't work for me, I really think my stylist did an awesome job this time. She actually says, I think I might have a better handle on your style. That's in the style note, and they send a lot of paperwork. And I just wanted to let you know that they offer another service called the Take a Chance Style in a Box, and that is a flat fee of $109. And I have seen other YouTubers open that box, and once I am finished with my 3-month trial, I think I might try that box because I am very satisfied with the products they are sending. So I've got my mailer. Shipping is free both ways, and I will be using this because not all the pieces worked for me. So you have seen the prices, and I am just looking at them for the first time. The first thing we have is this dress, the Gilly Ivory and Blue dress, and I loved it. I did think the length was just fine, and this dress is only $40. So this dress is definitely mine. This is another Gilly. This is the navy pink floral fit and flare. This is $46. And so this is a muted, it almost looks like the dress, the pattern of the dress that I'm wearing right now. But I really like this. I didn't tell you, or I think I showed you, the dress is lined, so it's a nice quality dress, and I kind of enjoyed the way that it fits. So this dress will be mine, $46. The next one was this orange dress, this coral dress, and this dress is $45, and I liked so many things about this dress. I love the color. I love that it had pockets. I really enjoyed this dress. It's too short. And the stylist even said in her note, this dress may be too short for your liking, and so she suggested that I use it as a bathing suit cover-up, but it's a little bit too much for a cover-up. So this one is going back. So the maxi dress, the Gilly Navy and Floral print maxi dress is $45. I love this dress. This dress is just perfect, I think, for me in every way. I like this dress. I can't wait to wear this dress. Tank. The tank is by Doe and Ray. This is only $34, and I really like this. I think it's a very conservative tank. I think the neck, the detail on the neckline is beautiful. I really like it, and for $34, that's a steal. Now, it would look great with these Liverpool. These are jeggings. These are leggings, and I called them jeans. I didn't realize that until I read the stylist note that they look like pants. You know what? They just didn't work for me. I have chubby legs, and they really bunched up through the legs. Although they didn't feel tight, I don't like the way that they fit, which is really sad because it made a perfect outfit with that tank that she sent. And then the last thing, the Liverpool are $89. Then the last thing is this navy star printed top by 143. This is $35, and I like it. I'm really enjoying those knotted details and whatnot in the front. I just seriously don't know if I need this. It looks so much like the tank that my niece gifted me with last year that I don't know how much use I would get out of this if it didn't have the stars on it and looks so patriotic. This would be a certain keeper for me. So, but, oh, here's the rub. I'm sending these two back. If you purchase, this is, I guess, a new thing with Mix and Match. If you purchase 5 items, you get a 25% discount. So the total of this box is $329. And if I purchase 5 items, I get a discount of $82.25, which brings the total to $246.75. So this one is going to be a tough one because honestly, this is the only thing that I just don't know if I will use it. And I say that because I've had the Navy Star tank top for, what, 8 or 9 months, and I've never worn it. I'm waiting for the holiday to wear it. So I have to think about this, but I am very pleased. With my last mix and match, I was impressed with my stylist communication with me. I continue to be. I will actually email my stylist and let her know what I am keeping. I'll give her feedback on each of the items, and I anxiously await next month's box. I wonder if I could possibly keep an entire box from Mix and Match. And I think that will probably happen. So I have to thank you so much for joining me. I would love to hear your comments about everything in the description below. I will have to view this video and see how these items look on me as well. So I appreciate your feedback, and I thank you so much for joining me for another unboxing. I have another box sitting on my table, and you can look for that video in 2 days. Thank you once again. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I really appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you so much. God bless you.